Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download, install, and set up a VPN app called CM Tunnel Lite VPN, which you can easily find on the Google Play Store. This app can help you improve your browsing experience and add an extra layer of online security. Before we start, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Also, feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions, so you don't miss any of my future tutorials. Step 1. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type CM Tunnel Lite VPN. Make sure you select the correct app by checking its name and icon. Once you've found it, tap on the app and click Install. After installation, tap Open to launch the app. Step 2. When you reach the home screen, tap the 3 dots in the top corner. From the menu, select Update. This refreshes the app's resources and helps it run smoothly. Step 3. Next, tap on the server box. You can choose a server location that works best in your region. If you're not sure which one to pick, simply leave it on auto select so the app chooses the most stable server for you. Step 4. Now, choose your network type. Tap on the box and select UDP. If UDP doesn't work in your country, you can try DNS or another option available in the list. Step 5. Finally, tap the Start button. After a few moments, the app will connect successfully, and you'll be able to browse with a more stable connection. And that's it. You've successfully set up CM Tunnel Lite VPN. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon, so you don't miss any future videos. See you in the next one.